Good evening to all. My name is Sanskar Srivastava from class 10. Today I am going to tell a story of chapter the Letter to God. Once upon a time, there was a poor farmer named Lenjo. He lived on the peak of a hill. From the hill, we can see a river and Lencho's field with ripe corns. One day, when the Lencho was standing in mid of his field, he thought that clouds will came the clouds will came from northeast direction because he hoped for a heavy downpour or at least a shower. So suddenly Lencho's wife called him, say, come for dinner. Went to home and sat on the dining table. As while the dinner, suddenly he heard a voice of clouds, thundering clouds. So he ran outside from his house and saw the clouds. Suddenly, rain started. It starts raining. So Lencho said, "These are not water drops. These are new coins." And he compared the small drops with 5 cents and the big ones to 10 cents. So as the hailstorm started falling, so he says, "These are not new coins now. Now these are silver coins." So he say, these are silver coins until the hailstorms fall in a limited amount. If it fall in over, so my crop will destroy." As we thought, the hailstorms drops in a large amount and destroyed all the crops of Lencho. So he gets so he gets so sad. So he ran away to his house and take a paper and started writing a letter to God, because the Lencho believed that God's eye sees everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. God will not let us starve. So by taking this faith in his mind, he started writing. After writing the letter, he go to city and posted that letter in the post office. Then next day, the employee of the post office take collect the letter and give to the postmaster. So the postmaster opened it, and as he read, he started laughing, but soon he became serious because he did not want to shake Lencho's faith. He started collecting money to give Lencho. He gave some money from his salary and collected money from others on name of charity and give it to Lencho on behalf of God. But as the Lencho opened the envelope and counted the money, he became angry because he thought that God will God had gave me 70 pesos, but the employee of post office taken 30 pesos from this envelope and said, these employees of post office are bunch of crook. Then the postmaster said, this is not a faith, it's an blind faith. Thank you, have a nice day.